You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those words once and for all correctly. This word, this is the name of an animal. If you want to learn more vocabulary, animal names in particular that are confusing in English, stay tuned, we have more videos for you. It's pronounced in English as mule. Alright, British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Even the Americans don't say mule. Alright, no, not mule. There are words that are pronounced this way in American English, but not here. Mule. Alright, so you got a diphthong. Mule. Mule. It's easy once you know a mule. It's in between a donkey and a horse. A mule. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.